Hello everyone, Namaskar. आज की वीडियो में I'll give you a brief about each and every one of the courses that we have at UPSCprep.com, including all of the free courses that we give, where a lot of information that we मतलब बहुत जगह आपको paid courses में मिलेगी, we are giving away for free. So that will cover towards the end of the video, but in detail I'll give you a breakdown of each and every one of our courses. But since naturally, it's a combined video where all of the courses are being discussed, there might be some questions that you might have. And in case you have these questions, you can let us know in the comments below, or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or even email at contact@upscprep.com. So with that, let's get started. So courses.upscprep.com pe we'll go for view all. View all mein what you'll see first and foremost are UPSC Essential. So UPSC Essential, this is one of our flagship courses. This is a one-stop course which has everything that you need for your entire civil services journey. It has prelims ki classes, it has mains ki classes, it has a full test series integrated for prelims, including CSAT, and for mains, including essay, right? Everything that you require on your UPSC journey will be covered in this course. Now, the difference between 2026 and 27, the 2026 course is for people who want to give a serious attempt in 2026, right? 2026 की तैयारी, it's 8 months or so that are left. So naturally, it is going to be a tough race. But if you want to give a good shot, so then being structured in your preparation, having mentorship along your journey is going to be very, very helpful. And this course is for people who are giving 2026. Now, 27 का जो course है, this is for people who are preparing for 2027 and later attempts. So the price difference over here you'll notice is simply because the test series ka access in 2027 course will be till mains of 2027. In 26, test series ka access will be till mains of 2026. Regardless of test series ka access, both of these courses you'll have 3 years of access to mentorship, 3 years of access to live class updates, and that's the idea that once you get this course, we really don't want कि भाई आपको कभी भी कोई और कोर्स खरीदना पड़े. टेस्ट सीरीज भी यही इंक्लूडेड रहेगी, मेंटरशिप भी आपकी यही इंक्लूडेड रहेगी. एवरीथिंग दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इज इंक्लूडेड इन द एसेंशियल कोर्सेज. 26 के लिए दिस एंड 27 के लिए दिस. देन वी कम टू the GS Advanced course. This is a course for more advanced students. Now, this is not a course that if you're a beginner, please don't get this course. Why? Because in this course, we will assume that you have read some basic material, right? And then we'll straight away jump into mains focused preparation. So if you are a serious candidate preparing for 2026 and you are of the opinion कि भाई मुझे basic classes नहीं चाहिए, basics मैं कर चुका हूँ, मुझे focus करना है on answer writing, on tests, and a lot of mentorship and focused feedback, GS Advanced is the course for you. Then what you have is mains focus group with Write Unlimited. So Write Unlimited again is one of our flagship courses. ये जो mains focus group का course है, this has GS Advanced plus Write Unlimited, right? So that is what your mains focus group is. Write Unlimited एक ऐसा course है जहाँ पे if you want to write 2 answers a day, sure, we'll check that. If you want to write 5 answers a day, sure, we'll check that. If you want to write a full test every day for the next 3 months, we will check that for you, right? There are no questions asked कि भाई अच्छा नहीं ये question check नहीं होगा, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. There are some basic ideas that feedback is very, very helpful. And in this course with Write Unlimited, you get as much feedback as you want for as long as you want, right? So if इसमें आपको time limits भी बहुत easily defined है कि भाई अगर आप फुल पेपर चेक करवा रहे हो तो इट विल बी चेक्ड इन 7 days, एंड इफ you're गेटिंग 2 questions or 5 questions checked, तो देन इट विल बी डन इन 2-3 days का टाइम. दैट्स द आइडिया. राइट अनलिमिटेड के साथ जैसे बहुत बार आई ऑल्सो रिकमेंड दैट व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर मेंस का प्रिपरेशन इज यू टेक अप कॉपीज ऑफ प्रीवियस टॉपर्स, राइट? यू टेक अप अनिमेश प्रधान का कॉपीज, और यू टेक इशिता किशोर का कॉपीज, और यू टेक श्रुति शर्मा का कॉपीज, एंड यू लाइक टेक द क्वेश्चन दैट दे हैव रिटन, you write the question yourself and then try and compare it with the topper ka answer. So if you're doing that sort of a practice also, even that you can get checked in Write Unlimited. And that's the idea over here. Ki with Write Unlimited, you get pinpoint feedback on if you're writing previous year questions, if you're writing topper wale answers, if you're writing 2 answers any day, practice ke liye, test series ke liye, whatever it is, absolutely awesome for direct feedback, right? GS Advanced has a lot more classes. It will also have some test series, but Write Unlimited वाला जो part है आपका, which is जो 2 question, 5 question, 10 question, full test, all of that is just in Write Unlimited, right? तो UPSC Basics का जो course है then इस पे आते हैं. Basics course is GS Basics and Target CSAT. These are two basic courses which are aimed at prelims preparation. तो बहुत बार क्या होता है, there are people who feel that mains के लिए I am self sufficient, I know how to write and I am comfortable writing this, but I need a lot more PYQ practice and I need a lot more prelims focused preparation where a lot of facts and current affairs and all of that sort of information is given to you in an organized manner. So that course is GS Basics and Target CSAT. Similarly, Ace the Essay. तो Ace the Essay एंड आपका जो टारगेट सीसैट है, ये दोनों आपके सेल्फ पेस्ड कोर्सेज हैं. एस दी एसए में आई हैव टॉट एसे राइटिंग एंड इन बोथ ऑफ दीज कोर्सेज यू गेट एक्सेस टू द क्लासेस एंड अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मेंटरशिप विद द आइडिया कि भाई स्पेसिफिक बहुत ज़्यादा सिर्फ सीसैट की मेंटरशिप, स्पेसिफिक बहुत ज़्यादा सिर्फ एसए की मेंटरशिप, राइट. इन जनरल उसके अलावा भी अगर आपको कुछ मेंटरशिप होती है तो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी वोंट बी कवरिंग दैट, बट सिंस ऑब्वियसली दीज आर very focused courses, the focus will be pretty much on that. Then what we have is the integrated test series. तो integrated test series जो आपकी है, this is a prelims plus mains test series. Prelims test series में आपको GS as well as CSAT दोनों के section test and full test, and similarly in mains for GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and even essay you will get part tests as well as full tests. Part test में क्या होगा? Like for example, GS 1 will be broken down into 3 parts. One society, one geography, one history, and then there will be a full GS1 का test, right? So that is your integrated test series. So integrated test series will be valid till mains of 2026, meaning if you join now till one whole year आपके पास पूरी टेस्ट सीरीज का एक्सेस रहेगा, दोबारा आपको कोई टेस्ट सीरीज लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. देन स्पेसिफिकली 2026 की मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज है. द आइडिया ओवर हियर इज प्रीटी सिंपल दैट मेंस की टेस्ट सीरीज में यू विल हैव 31 टेस्ट, जिसमें से 11 सेक्शन टेस्ट होंगे एंड देन 20 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट होंगे. GS 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड essay. All parts of your general studies syllabus will be covered through these tests, and this is for people who really want to practice a lot more, right? कि structured तरीके से I want to give a lot more full tests. 20 full length tests हैं आपके, तो आपका सारा GS का जो syllabus है that will be covered 4-5 times, right? 5 पेपर होते हैं हमारे essay, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 into 4 times. So 4 times overall you can give the mains का simulated experience. Similarly, we have the prelims test series for 2026. So prelims test series, naturally the access to this will be till prelims. The idea over here is you'll get 45 tests. 45 tests में कुछ आपके NCERT based general studies tests होंगे, right? So each of the basic subjects you have, history, polity, geography, economy, इनके आपके NCERTs के भी tests होंगे. After that you will have 2 CSAT का mini tests, then 12 sectional tests, 2 for each subject, माने कि history के 2, सोसाइटी ज्योग्राफी के 2, पॉलिटी के 2, इकोनॉमी, एनवायरनमेंट एंड साइंस एंड टेक, सबके 2-2 आपके सेक्शन टेस्ट रहेंगे एंड देन 15 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट एंड 10 सीसैट फुल टेस्ट. तो द आइडिया विद दिस इज कि इससे ज़्यादा टेस्ट आपको देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट अ वेरी गुड ग्रास्प ऑफ योर प्रीलिम्स का MCQ प्रैक्टिस विद दिस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस ऑब्वियसली what I would also recommend is free courses पे जब हम आएंगे तो there are some free courses that we have which will be very very good to pair with this. अब इसमें एक चीज़ आप देखोगे 14,999 and 6,999 and then 15,999, which is why we have written best value on the integrated test series. कि integrated test series हमारा क्या है? It is a combination of mains test series and prelims test series, but since it is a combination package, so therefore you get some discount on that. तो डिस्काउंट यहाँ पे 15,999 यहाँ पे है, बट इफ यू बाय इंडिविजुअली इट इज दिस. देन नेक्स्ट वी हैव द राइट डेली फॉर 2 months. तो राइट अनलिमिटेड जो है दैट इज अ कोर्स इन विच देयर इज नो लिमिटेशन बिकॉज एज द नेम सजेस्ट अनलिमिटेड. बट राइट डेली फॉर 2 months इज बेसिकली अ कंसिस्टेंसी बिल्डिंग कोर्स. कंसिस्टेंसी बिल्डिंग इन द सेंस ऑफ कि भाई अच्छा मुझे सिर्फ 2 आंसर लिखने हैं डेली बेसिस पे, सो दैट आई गेट इनटू अ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ राइटिंग विद सम इवैल्यूएशन. सो दिस इज द कोर्स फॉर यू. Write daily में we will give you 2 questions and you have to write those 2 questions. You submit within 2 to 3 days or basically I think 48 to 72 hours is the timeline. Within that timeline we will check and revert the copies to you, and that's the idea here कि fast feedback से your answer writing will improve, but over here we will be the ones giving the questions and 2 questions a day. So that is the main difference between write daily and write unlimited जो हमारा ऊपर mains focus group में था, right? Then we have some sociology comprehensive courses. तो sociology के courses जो हैं you have comprehensive course with mentorship, right? A comprehensive course meaning the entire syllabus will be covered, and on top of that, you'll get mentorship. The access in the comprehensive courses will be for 3 years. In the course with mentorship, you'll also have access to sociology ka mentorship for 3 years. Without mentorship, this will just be the classes. All of these courses are self-paced, right? Meaning you will get access to all the classes and you can watch them at your own pace. The idea is that people who are working candidates or people who are preparing with college, so at times it can be difficult because some classes are in the morning. The morning mein I don't have time, I don't have where. So us tarike se self-paced courses can be very very helpful for you. At the other end, there are people who are preparing full time, they can also use these courses because the idea is course के साथ साथ आपको कुछ test series का elements भी यहाँ पे मिलेंगे, right? तो in both of these courses you also get a full test series, but apart from that, if you just want the sociology test series, so we also have the sociology test series, 12 tests and 8 tests. So these are also things that you can check out, which brings us finally to the last group, which is our free courses. तो फ्री कोर्सेज की बात जब हम करते हैं तो फ्री कोर्सेज फॉर UPSCprep.com वी हैव 4 मेन कोर्सेज. वी हैव द मेंस एक्सेल प्रोग्राम. तो मेंस एक्सेल प्रोग्राम क्या था? वी प्रोवाइडेड अ लॉट ऑफ हाई वैल्यू कंटेंट मटेरियल फॉर पीपल हु वर प्रिपेयरिंग मेंस दिस ईयर. तो इन दिस प्रोग्राम वी गिव यू ऑल ऑफ दैट कंटेंट फॉर फ्री बिकॉज द आइडिया इज that if you really want to prepare for civil services exam, just the fact that I did not get access to the right materials should not be a limiting factor. The limiting factor, so far as we believe, should be your effort. If you're not putting in the effort, material की कमी नहीं है, right? So all of the material we have provided in an organized fashion in this program over here, Mains Excel. You can join and check it out. So beginner's guide to UPSC prep, इसका क्या मतलब है यहाँ पे? That if you're an absolute beginner, बिल्कुल आपको आइडिया नहीं है कि भाई क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, तो what we've done is we've compiled some basic strategy sessions for you in this one course. And यहाँ पे what we'll also give you is NCRTs जो भी आपको सारी चाहिए, old, new, XYZ, whatever NCRTs that are required for your UPSC journey, we have put them right here in this course itself. You can download from here. You can also visit NCRT का website and download it from there, but that you'll have to go individually to each one and XYZ करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे एक जगह पे हमने सारी NCRTs आपको दे दी हैं. You can access and download free of cost. ये आपका course है. Then you have the Prelims PYQ test series. तो Prelims PYQ test series, like I said, that Prelims test series के साथ, this is the thing that I would really want you to pair. यहाँ पे क्या है कि पिछले 7-8-10 साल के Prelims previous year questions we have put, I think from 2015 to 2025, 10 years. We'll keep increasing the repository over here and we'll keep adding CSAT ke questions also over here. The idea is simple, कि with this course, you get a sense of कि अच्छा actual UPSC में कैसे questions पूछे जाते हैं. Because see, test series वगैरह सब सही है, सब sorted है. In the end, you are going to solve questions given by UPSC, and this is the best way for you to get a sense of कि what are the kinds of questions that UPSC is asking. Similarly, we have a free sociology course. यहाँ पे भी हमने क्या किया है, sociology के कुछ basic orientation sessions जो हैं free of cost we have put over here so that you can access, and if you're preparing for sociology option, you can get a sense of कि अच्छा what is it that is required of you, right? So these are the free courses that we have, and with that we'll end this video. If you have any doubts, any questions or queries, please do let us know below, or you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or even email. All the best on your UPSC journey.